Hey guys, today we're installing the Enkeis on Daniel's Teggy.
Alright, I need the tool.
Alright.
Nah, I can do it with my hand, yes.
Did you even brew it?
I don't even know where this came from.
Mate, we'll make it work, eh? So basically we're going to take these ones off and put these on. Now these are 195/50 15s and those are 215s on the front and I think 205s on the back. I'm sure they'll fit. If not, we'll make them fit because the coilovers are super low anyway. So we're just gonna bump it up. And these bad boys will go on the Civic. This one looks alright, but there's some which one, I don't know which ones they're mounted, but these will go alright. Oh, this is the same thing this type of wear and dirt is the same thing on the Enkeis. But do the swap around.
Just take off the side skirt. I wonder how your car would look without the side skirts and the yeah, the front rubber, like the whole thing.
Look at this guy, bro. Look at this guy putting coilovers on his Cressida. Is that a 1J?
Is that a 1J?
Oh yeah, brother, I heard the 1J diff is shit, yeah? Like, it just blows all the time. So why did I put a 4J diff in there? It's hectic, brother. Just adjusting his coilovers there. There you go. To make them higher because they're too fucking low. So we just put the first one in. Daniel raised it like, I don't know how much, but he raised it up. And we've just put the first one in and it looks amazing, it looks cool. It suits a lot more than the white one in my opinion. Daniel thinks so too. But it looks good. I think it would look mad on all fours. These Enkeis. Suits the DC2 100%. So we've got the two Enkeis on the back and now we're doing the front. Daniel's spent his very precious time increasing the height in the coilovers. It took ages just to get to this height. Now it's a bit too high, we're going to lower it probably between 5 and 10 mil. Right now the height is at 105?
Yep.
Yeah, 105 mil. Probably going to go 100 or 95. But yep, we shall just continue on. They look really good though on the car. They look really good. It suits it so much. It's pretty much a Type R now.
100%.
Pretty much a Type.
You know, after I put the rims on, I managed to got VTEC.
Somehow, bro, you just got VTEC.
Or like 147 kilowatt. Yeah, basically JDM B18C in it already. So yeah.
I mean, the setup says so, right?
I reckon I can sell it for at least 50k.
Only 50k?
Actually, yeah, this is a prime example. Look at
This
the
is
chain, look at the condition, man.
This is like a tough.
You know, this is a Type RX, so it was one of the last gen Integra Type R's, so I reckon at least 100k.
At least 100k.
But
what
I'm
do you think?
chasing 200. Just send me an offer on Instagram and we can discuss.
Because these are rare as fuck. Aren't they, Osama?
Yeah. Preach. Preach, Red. Preach, Red.
Huh? My name is Osama. My name is Osama. Alright, get to work done now. I'm not gonna lie, These will look actually really good on the Civic. They look pretty clean. Too bad they're damaged. Like, they actually, it's a nice rim, but like, it's thrashed. You know what? It's gonna get thrashed even more on the farm. That's what it deserves.
Play it a song. Keep playing it. No, keep playing it. Play the whole song. Play the whole song.
How's the progress, mate?
Almost there.
How many mil we at now?
Just hit 90.
5 more mil to go, huh? Now what if we didn't account for the slope on your driveway?
I mean, in terms of this, the slope is almost negligible anyways. So
Negligible, he says.
it's not even that steep. If it was down there, down that end, then yeah, but over here is pretty level, but it's not level because, you know, as a civil engineer,
Yeah.
roads never level because you need the water.
If you guys need any engineering advice or help or even ideas with a business, make sure you hit up Daniel. He's the best civil engineer I know. Look at his face. What do you mean? You're doing well, bro.
I'm not jack of all trades.
But a master of none? Drop it like it's hot, bro. Drop it.
Gonna come really fast. I wish this one was
Well, that seems kind of high.
Huh?
That seems kind of high. But it's the same as the other side. So it was too high, and the reason it was too high is because when we measured the other side, the smaller rim was on the left side, so that gave it the illusion that it was lower, and it was lower. Now when we put the two bigger front tires on, obviously the cars are going to go higher because these tires are bigger. So now we're going to adjust to that, drop it another 10. So that would bring it to 85. Yeah, 85 mil. And see how that looks. Continuing on. All 4 Enkeis are on now. We're just going to go to the petrol station and put some air in the tires and see how they roll. Thanks for watching, guys.